On top the killings wey shele for Uromi, Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo don show face for Kano, where im for promise say dem go catch the people wey do am and justice go happen for the people wey suffer. For im visit, Governor Okpebholo come also talk say President Bola Tinubu don tell security people say make dem catch the people wey do the bad thing. E come also talk say dem don arrest 14 people for the matter and dem go send dem go Abuja for questioning after Salah holidays.
Your Excellency, I will want to let you know today that I'm also a Kano boy. Your Excellency, I'm here to condole with the government of Kano State and the people of Kano State. Indeed, it was a sad moment, and I pray that may Allah give the family a heart to bear. Your Excellency, we have made a tremendous progress. I can assure you that in this country, Mr. President wasn't happy at all. He didn't waste time. He made no mistake to direct the service chiefs, the Inspector General of Police, to go after the killers of these people. Your Excellency, I can assure you that justice will prevail. We have so far arrested about 14 people in connection of the killings of these people. The Inspector General have directed the DIG, CID at the Force Headquarters, Abuja, to take over the investigation. Because of the holiday, these people, after the holiday, these people will be transferred to Abuja for further interrogation and more arrests will be made. I want to assure Kano people that we are very much at home with each other. Kano is a home to me, and I believe the Hausa community that live in Edo will have love for each other. And we will continue to be our brother's keeper. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf also joined condemn the killing and come advise people say make them not take laws into their hands but report any wahala to police. He come praise Governor Okpebholo for visiting the family wey suffer and say police must parade the suspect for public to see. Governor Yusuf come also want say make people not try revenge, say only the correct punishment go bring the right justice.
People should learn to be law-abiding. If you have anything, go to the security agencies. They are meant for that. They are meant to protect you. They are meant to protect your properties. But taking law into your own hands is unconstitutional and should be avoided. However, we must be seen as protectors of our people, as leaders that were sworn by the holy books to protect the lives and properties of our respective people. Therefore, we continue to try as much as possible to ensure that we collaborate with all the security agencies to push out perpetrators of various crimes, wherever they are. On this note, Your Excellency, once more on behalf of the government and the good people of the state, we want to thank you most humbly. This is what a leader should be doing. When I spoke to him that I have delegated a high-powered committee to visit Edo State, They were supposed to go yesterday to see our people there, the Hausa community, to appeal to them, to douse tension, and then to be able to interact on possible ways of avoiding future occurrence. And at the same time, to have a dialogue with the government of Edo State, to present the grievances of the families of the deceased, to get the assurances that justice will be done, that compensation will be paid, that this type of incident will be avoided. His Excellency vehemently appealed to me that since it happened in his state, he wouldn't like me or my delegation to visit there first. He will want to come and see the families and address Kano people. And Your Excellency, I'm telling you, that is very rare in Nigeria. So the good people of the state, the families of the deceased, and all of us appreciate your concern. And we want to assure you, Your Excellency, that we will give you maximum cooperation in seeing to an end to this type of crime. My prayer on behalf of the families, on behalf of the good people of the state, I know you have started taking action like we said. Many of them were apprehended. We will want to see them physically paraded so that Nigerians and the families could see them to know, yes, they were apprehended. That, Your Excellency, will go a long way in making the families and their own brothers happy.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ujisali, TMC News.